To view the shift receipts for a particular shift, follow the following steps. Navigate to the Accounts module and select Cashier Shifts. In the new window that appears, you can filter at the bottom of your screen to All Active Shifts or any other field you desire, and adjust the dates to capture a specific period of your choice. And click on View. From the list, select the cashier shift you wish. Then at the top right corner of your screen, click on Actions and select Shift Receipts. In the subsequent window, the system will display the various receipts issued during the shift and the total amounts received from the shift at the far bottom right corner of the window. That is, amount received from all payment modes as shown. You can as well filter to select a specific payment mode to see the amount received for that mode during the shift. You can select Cash to view all amounts paid by cash, M-Pesa to view all payments made via M-Pesa, or any other payment mode that you prefer as mentioned earlier.